Good morning, Chris here. I kind of alluded to this big box from Westy that I got the other day. I'm planning a very ambitious travel season. Well, let me put it to you this way. Last year I did 5,000 miles in my Westy, just driving to different campervan events. My first event for next year is going to be probably 5,500 to 6,000 miles, in addition to all the rest of the events I'm going to do. So it's going to be a very, travel season, very large one. So I'm just going through and I'm going to do a bunch of maintenance type things to the Westy that I've never done before. It's been great so far, but I just want to make sure that the old gal is rock solid and bulletproof. So I'll do a bunch of videos on the stuff I'm doing, and that will be coming soon, hopefully. I have a couple of plug-in heaters for my garage, and it's pretty well insulated, so should be fine. I mean, was it 9 years ago, I did the engine swap in this bad boy to the EJ25 Subaru right in this very garage. So no worries, more to come. Fight the power.